My name's Klaus, I'm your inspector today. So I'm inspecting this vehicle for you as it run out of fuel right now, so I'm just doing a time management, doing a video for you. Overall, all the paintwork is good, paint thicknesses are good. Only rear left quarter panel had some bodywork previously done, but it's done to the good standard. There's no oil weeps, anything like that. Like I mentioned, the vehicle looks like it's been looked well after. Maintenance issues, all tyres on the sides are cracked, age-related marks. Front pads 50% worn, rear 30%. Would need rear disc and pads, so I don't think they would negotiate on a front disc and pads, but that a future cost. At least you can get the rear disc and pads out. That will be a result. Engine started from code OK. It's been started by the garage. That's the vehicle. Inside of the vehicle, interior is as well clean, presentable. Not even a notch of wear and tear, so really good vehicle for the age, you know. As I think I mentioned, alloys will be refurbed. I'm gonna go still underneath the vehicle. We'll check on the side of the back, because I can't because it run out of fuel at the moment. But otherwise, can't see anything else at the moment. And the way it behaves on the road, I will report this in the summary, and then we can discuss any issues once you call me back. So far, that's it. Quite well-maintained vehicle so far, so we'll see what's happening on the road test and what's going to happen on the second diagnostic scan. All right, thanks for using us, and we'll talk to you soon.